Hi there. Adult matric. What is it? What is it about? I thought let me explain it the way I understand it, and that might be helpful. So, adult matric means you are 21 years or older. It means you have at least a school grade 9 pass, because you need that school grade 9 or better to be allowed into the adult matric program. The exams are written in May and June of every year. You can sign up at any point and you study, and when you get to the next May, you would have registered for your exams and you write your exams. A key difference is you can study from home, you can study via distance learning, you don't have to go to classes, you can study while you are working, you can study on weekends. Another key difference is when you're in school. I'm kind of making a comparison between you studying matric in school and studying matric after school as an adult. So when you study matric in a school, you write tests and exams in the school, and those results are combined with the exam result from your final matric exam to give you the result that's on your matric certificate from Umolusi. If you do adult matric, you write the exam, the result you get there is the only result that counts, and those results goes directly onto your matric certificate. The beautiful similarity, of course, is that if I have two people walking into my office and they're each showing me a matric certificate, the one did it at school and the other did it, when they were 25 as an adult, I can't see on those two matric certificates any differences. So the adult matric certificate from Umolusi looks exactly the same as a matric certificate somebody get if they do matric at school. I love that, because I think if you were unfortunate at school, there's no mark, there's no this thing is following you around. You didn't get matric, you're not happy with your matric, well, you can get it once you're older than 21. In a sense, it's a clean start to a matric. People ask me, can I do matric in 6 months? Can I do matric in 3 months? You can sign up for matric and give yourself only 6 months of study before you write the exams. So you can do that. I don't recommend it. Matric is a 3-year program. When you study matric at school, grade 10 plus grade 11 plus grade 12 makes up your matric. Your matric final exams are about all 3 years worth of work. So your adult matric is similar. It's a similar amount of work. It's not the easier matric, it's not a smaller matric. So you might be a better student now than when you were at school, but you need to give yourself enough time to properly prepare and to properly study so that you pass the exams and that you pass them well. Personally, I think if you want to do adult matric, you should give yourself 2 years. You study for 3 subjects for a year, you write those 3 subjects, you pass them, you get good results. The second year you study another 3 subjects, you pass them, you get good results, you combine the 2 sets of results, and you get a final Umolusi matric certificate with good results on it. I think often people think, I want to do adult matric, I want to write the exam middle next year, so I'll wait until late this year before I sign up. I'm going, you're kind of setting yourself up. If you're not an extraordinarily great student, 6 months is not going to be enough to prepare yourself to pass 6 matric subjects. I'm kind of, there's the warning about it, but I love the fact that there is an adult matric. Half the kids who start school never even sit in a matric class, and this is the opportunity for all of those kids that fell out of the system, wrote matric and failed, got to grade 11 and left school. This is an opportunity for anybody who has a grade 9 certificate to get the same matric certificate as any other school student. So, there you have it. Thank you very much.